The More menu is where you'll find most of the settings for your Intulse account. This includes options for your profile, devices, and extension, as well as any integrations enabled on your account. This is also where system administrators can manage settings for users of the Intulse app. Let's take a look. Profile settings allow you to manage your personal details and notification preferences. If you've created a Gravatar, it will appear here, along with your extension number. From this screen, you can update your name, email address, and mobile number. Your email and mobile number are used to authenticate the app when you sign in, and your mobile number is also used when you select Send to Mobile during an active call. There's also a space for personal notes, where you can add details like your direct number. None of us enjoy the constant ping of unnecessary notifications, but we also don't want to miss something important. This section gives you control over the notifications being delivered to your different devices. These notification settings determine how you're alerted to incoming calls, voicemails, faxes, and chat or SMS messages. Click the box to show notifications on your computer for incoming calls, on your computer and mobile devices for new voicemails, to see a summary of missed calls, voicemails, and missed messages on your mobile device. If selected, this summary will update when the summary count changes. On your computer and mobile devices for faxes you receive. On your computer for faxes you send. On your computer for faxes sent by anyone in your organization. On your computer and mobile devices for incoming SMS messages. On your computer for outgoing SMS messages. On your computer for incoming chat messages. On mobile devices for incoming chat messages. Via email for missed incoming chat messages. Via email for missed incoming SMS text messages. You'll also find an option to mute chat notifications. When enabled, this will mute all notifications for all incoming direct messages, channels, and SMS chats. Individual conversations can be muted within each chat thread. Be sure to save your settings before leaving this screen. The settings screen is where you can manage your audio and video call preferences and view your device permissions. Audio call settings let you select the devices and ringtones used for your calls. Ringer output controls which device plays the ringtone for incoming calls. Headset output controls where audio plays during a call. Speaker output determines where audio is played in speaker mode. Microphone input selects the device that captures your voice during a call. Select an SMS quick reply number to send a text when rejecting incoming calls. Make sure the number you choose is text-enabled, or the option won't appear. Each audio setting can use your system's default device or a specific device you choose. Selecting Default means any changes you make to your system's audio devices will automatically apply to your virtual phone as well. Check this box if you want your virtual phone to be automatically enabled every time you launch the app. You can also customize the tones played for incoming calls, call waiting, and outgoing calls using the drop-down menus. The video call settings screen is where you can choose the ringer output and incoming ringtone related to calls with Intulse meetings if you have a meetings license. Device permissions show whether permission is being granted or denied for your microphone and notifications. If either of these say permission is denied, you will need to adjust that in your device and/or browser settings in order for the app to work as expected. The Start screen is updated periodically to highlight new features, product enhancements, and helpful tips for using the Intulse system, so be sure to check back from time to time. You'll also find a link to the changelog, where you can review recent app updates, as well as an option to hide this screen until the next update. Most organizations have one or more integrations enabled. If you have access to your organization's API key, you'll find it on this screen, along with any integrations available to your organization. For setup instructions or details on a specific integration, visit the Integrations page on the support site. Extension settings control how calls reach your phones. When a setting is turned on, it applies to all enabled devices on that extension. If you have access to multiple extensions, be sure the correct one is selected before making changes. Do Not Disturb blocks all incoming calls. Call Waiting alerts you of a new call while you're on an active call. You can place the current call on hold to answer the new call or decline it. Call Forward Always sends every call to another extension or external number that you select when enabling the setting. Use this option if you want all calls forwarded in any situation. Call Forward on Busy forwards calls only when you're already on a call and call waiting is turned off. Call Forward on No Answer forwards calls when you don't answer and you're not already on a call. All of these settings can be turned on or off at any time. A separate video can be found on the Admin tab, covering the settings available to system administrators.